Hello everyone. How are you my little kids? Shashwat, Ashu, Bhavya, Piyush, Tej and all of you. Hello. I hope you all are good now. And how's your exam? Did very nicely and send it to me. Yes? So after exam, after now start new chapter. But before we start, I ask you some question. All of you wish your parents good morning, good evening, good night. And touch your feet, your mama and papa. मम्मा पापा के पैर छूते हैं. And मम्मी पापा को तंग तो नहीं करते. और in the morning and night, nicely did you job? Like drink milk, eat proper food, green vegetable, fruits, milk. पीते हैं ना सब? Just because of we have to protect ourselves. हमें खुद को protect करना है. And कैसे हम protect करेंगे अपनी body को? अपनी immunity system को strong करेंगे, healthy होंगे. तभी तो हम कोरोना वायरस से लड़ सकेंगे ना. हमें क्या करना है? दूध को पीना है, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, ये सारी चीज़ें खानी है, फ्रूट्स को खाना है. क्लियर? तो नाउ टुडे start some little bit. In previous video I taught you ना phonics. phonics आपने पढ़ा है. A A, B B, C C, D D. पढ़ा है आपने? Just give me 1 second. आपने और मैंने आपको बहुत सारे वर्ड्स भी बताए थे. 2 letter, 3 letter, 4 letter. Have you learned? BAT bat, RAT rat, MAT mat, DOG dog. Many words. So 3, 4 letter, 2 letter words you have to learn side by side. Like common word: cow, dog, cat, rat, hat, mat, pig. So now today start new chapter with phonics. So each and every student you have to learn phonics like A A, B B, C C. So if I am saying giving you word of write the name of cat, spelling of cat. So how to write cat? So first letter is cat. Ka. Ka. Ka sound C. Ka sound C. Ka sound C na? Ka. A. A sounds A. Ta. Cat. Ta. Ta sound T. So this is cat. So you have to learn. First you have to learn phonics. Next video I teach you how to make word, how to make sentences, how to make name with the help of phonics. So and today start some little bit studies. Just because of you finish your exam and after exam I hope you all are enjoying at your home. So now start small chapter, lesson 11. One hand and many hands. Like one and many. In English, one, O-N-E, one, and many, M-A-N-Y, one and many. So today start new chapter, one and many. So one means, you know na spelling of one, O-N-E, one. Many, M-A-N-Y, many. O-N-E-1, M-A-N-Y, many. Now what is the meaning of one and many? First, now explain meaning of one. One means single. One means single. एक. One means one ना? One. One. Single. One pen है ना? So one. Many. Many. One, many. I hope you all are clear. Many means when we have more than one object, more than one thing called many. But in picture we have to observe one pencil here, three pencil. One and 1, 2, 3. So the one pencil and this is the many pencils. So but we can't write many pencils. ऐसे तो हम नहीं लिख सकते. So how to write one and many object name? Right? P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. The pen, one pen and 1, 2, 3. हमें तो 3 pencil नहीं लिखनी है ना. पेन तो नहीं लिखना, 3 पेन. Many we have to put P-E-N. इसमें हम now we have to add S. S को हम ऐड कर देंगे many में. तो क्या बनेगा? P-E-N-S, pens. In singular, in one pencil, pen, write P-E-N, pen. But many pen, we have to write, add S, P-E-N-S, pens. Now look. Look here. One egg, 1, 2, 3 egg. E-double-G, egg. Spelling of egg is E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. Now, many eggs. Only join the S. Clear? Now, C-A-T, cat. Here 2 cat. So write C-A-T, add S. S को हमें add करना है. This one. C-A-T-S, cats. Cats. 1, many. In many, you have to add S. Okay? Now, other thing is pen. P-A-N, pen. Pen means mama making करती है ना pen में. Here 2 pen. So P-A-N-S, pens. Clear? So the example I have like finger, fingers. Many fingers now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than one? 5 finger, fingers. Finger, fingers. Finger, fingers. This is one book, and books, books, books. Pen, pens, pens. So only we have to add s in many. Clear? Like pen, pens. Clear? Bag, bags. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Cow, cows. Girl, girls. Boy, boys. So if I am giving you worksheet, write chain in many. Okay, like if I am write cat, 1, right here, many. So you have to write CAT plus S, like cats. Clear? So when we have more than one object, one thing, we have to add S only. We have to add S. Like COW, cow, plus S, cows. BED, bed, plus S is equal to BEDS, beds. Clear? So you have to add S, only S. Hen, hens. Cow, cows. Bird, birds. Star, stars. So now look at your book. Look at this. One hen and many hens. One hen and many hens. Look at this picture. One hen, like hen. More than one means one से ज़्यादा. 1, 2, 3 hen is here ना. So many. One many. So hens. We add s, called hens. Okay, clear? Now here, look at this exercise. Write the name, add s where there are more than one. We have to s at the name of ending more than one. जहाँ पर भी वन से ज़्यादा पिक्चर है, उस पिक्चर्स के नेम में we have to add only s. Clear? Like double G, egg, double G, S, X. CAT, 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 S, cats. PEN, 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 add S, pens. PAN, pan, S, add pans. BED, bed, BEDS, beds. BAG, bag, BAGS, bags. Like, again I am repeating. Double G, egg, double G, S, eggs. CAT, cat, cats. TS. PEN, 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 bed. B-E-D-S, beds. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G-S, bag. Clear? So, you have to fill in your page also. You have to complete this page, this exercise also. And in your copy also. You have to color it also, okay? Copy should be neat and clean now. I told you every time. Your copy should be look like beautiful. बहुत सुंदर लगनी चाहिए. Like you. जैसे आप सुंदर सुंदर हो, आप ब्यूटीफुल हो, स्मार्ट हो, ऐसे आपकी कॉपीज भी ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर होनी चाहिए ना. Then when you come to your school, show me your copy also. How to write in your copy, okay? So I hope you all have clear one and many concept, one and many, and lots of example at your home. Search it. Like mama had vegetables. Tell to mama one lady finger, lady fingers. Orange, oranges. Bananas, bananas. Many bananas. So clear to your mama also. Okay? So I'll give you sheet, and so you have to complete in your copy very nicely. Okay? And side by side complete your writing book also. And all the letters you have to write in cursive. Okay? Nobody will write in simple A to Z. Everyone write in cursive, and you have to join. Like, don't like this. C-A-T, cat. It's wrong. You have to write C-A-T, cat. Join the letters. R-A-T, rat. B-A-T, bat. You have to join the letters. Okay? It is not complicated. It is very easy. And do it in your home. It's good for you. Okay? So, you have to read this chapter, complete all the exercise. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye.